Samsung Galaxy S23 lineup is believed to include the Galaxy S23, Galaxy S23 Plus, and Galaxy S23 Ultra. Recently leaked renders of the top-of-the-line Galaxy S23 Ultra suggested that the handset may feature slim bezels and a 6.8-inch display. However, updated renders of this smartphone have surfaced that showcase it with a thinner metal frame than its predecessor Galaxy S22 Ultra, and may have a similarly sized chin at the bottom of the screen. According to Steve A. McFly, Samsung's 23 Ultra may sport a slimmer metal frame than the Galaxy S22 Ultra. The handset now appears to have slightly more rounded edges than the previous renders. The past renders also showcased the Galaxy S23 Ultra with a slimmer chin than its predecessor. However, these updated renders now depict this smartphone with a similar active display area as the Galaxy S22 Ultra. In the renders, we can see Galaxy S23 Ultra with a center hole punch cut out. The rear camera layout is similar to the Galaxy S22 Ultra. There is a power button and volume rocker on the right side. It is said to feature an S Pen slot, SIM tray, charging port, and speaker grill at the bottom. Ice Universe tweeted that the night photography capabilities of the Galaxy S23 Ultra have been significantly improved. CEO of Display Supply Chain Consultants, DSCC, Ross Young, has revealed that the upcoming series may get only a limited number of color options. Young tweeted that all three handsets of the Galaxy S23 series will only get beige, black, green, and light pink colors. In contrast, the Galaxy S22 lineup is available in a wide range of colors. Depending on the model, you can get your hands on Galaxy S22 series smartphone in Bora Purple, Phantom White, Phantom Black, Pink Gold, Sky Blue, Graphite, Red, or more colors. That's all for now. Subscribe for more such tech updates. And let me know your opinion in the comments below.